Cooking some wine caps mushrooms, freshly picked from the garden minutes earlier. We have potatoes, onions, carrots, fresh garlic, relatively fresh wild garlic, and the wine caps. We have the potatoes cooking in oil. I've chopped these. I might add some butter. Wine caps chopped now. I might add a little bit of walnut oil and crushed chilies. I like spicy food, and the walnut will enhance the wine caps' nutty flavor. Potatoes are almost cooked. I removed the potatoes from the pan. Now the wine caps are in, and I will add the onion and carrots. I've added some walnut oil, the onions and the carrots and the butter. I've put in the crushed chilies as well. We're leaving this to simmer on high heat, regularly stirring so they don't burn. I've added the wild garlic, of course seasoned with salt, the whole pan I mean. I stopped the heat. Now I'm just gonna remove them from the pan and enjoy them with the potatoes. And the food is ready. The mushrooms cooked for about 10 minutes or so with the carrots and the onions, and probably all this took about 15 minutes in total. Everything smells really nice. So from garden to plate. You can see how I picked the mushrooms in the previous video. Thank you for watching. Take care.